Hey Walt, it's Catherine. Sorry it's taken a couple days to get back to you. Had to get my act together here. To change your profile picture, go onto Canvas, go onto account up here on the left where my little picture is. And if you click on that, you can obviously change notifications, but you can go to your profile. And when you go to your profile, you can click over here where it's edit. And when you click on edit the profile, you can put what you want into links and biography, and you can change your profile picture right there. And so I actually ask my students to do that, so at least I see their faces. In terms of the attendance, want to do the attendance, just go into any one of your active classes. So I'm just going to pick this one. And if a quickly attendance is not an option, and it would be over here on this list right here, just go down to your settings and then go into navigation and then come down to your options. And in the tools, there's an attendance tool, which I'm not entirely sure how it works, but there's quickly attendance, which is the one that I use. So if you grab that and just drag it up, it will become visible. So I'm going to pop it up here. And then once you've done that, remember to save. So once you save that and you've got quickly attendance over here somewhere, if you take and you click on that, it's going to ask to access your account. So you just click on authorize here. And when it does that, it's going to give you some options. So I click on the begin setup. It tells you what to do. And you can take attendance. So if you want to, at this point, take attendance, it's going to give you options on how to do this. Apparently, I've got to set it up first, which I need to do. Um, and I click on check-in as my options. So when I take and click on check-in, I can actually just tell my students to check in. And if you do that, they can go to the Canvas site and they can check in. I don't put it in the Grade Center because I don't give them any um, credit for it, but you can also set either a timer or a pin just in case you don't think your students are actually there and doing it to make them check in. So you can always give them that. I tend to give them an email on the absence, and I just tell them, hey, you were missing today, and I, want to know if everything is okay. And then that's quickly attendance, and it looks like this, and it is very, very easy to keep track of.